In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the currently watching video in VLC Media Player, or more accurately, how to remove it from the recent media list so it no longer shows up when you open VLC. This is super useful if you don't want certain videos appearing in your recent history, especially if you share your computer or just like to keep things clean and private. This method is quick, built directly into VLC, and works without installing anything extra. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your computer. This works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, as the menu layout is very similar across platforms. Once VLC is open, you don't actually need to have a video playing, but this method applies to the video you are currently watching or that appears in your recent list. Now, look at the top menu bar in VLC. You'll see several options like Media, Playback, Audio, Video, and so on. Click on Media. This will open a drop-down menu with several playback-related options. Next, in that drop-down, hover your mouse over Open Recent Media. Don't click yet, just hover over it. When you do this, a sub-menu will appear showing a list of videos and files you've recently watched in VLC. This is where VLC stores your recent playback history. Now, look all the way at the bottom of this sub-menu. You'll see an option labeled Clear, sometimes shown as Clear 1, depending on your version of VLC. Go ahead and click on Clear. The moment you click this, VLC will instantly remove all recently watched videos from the list, including the one you're currently watching or most recently played. There's no confirmation pop-up, so as soon as you click it, the recent history is cleared. This means the video will no longer appear under Open Recent Media, helping protect your privacy and keep your VLC history clean. It's important to note that this does not delete the actual video file from your computer. It only removes it from VLC's recent media history. The file itself remains safely stored on your system unless you manually delete it using your file manager. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared the currently watching video from VLC's recent list in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.